Need to add or update the quick disconnect switch on your RV? Follow these simple steps to install a quick disconnect switch. First, make sure all power is disconnected from your unit, along with disconnecting and removing the battery. Attach the ring terminals to the negative cables from your unit and from the new switch, using a crimper. Use heat shrink and a heat gun to secure and protect the connection of the ring terminal to cables. Inside the new quick disconnect, remove the nuts and place rings with attached wires onto the bolts and reattach the nuts. Next, mark and drill pilot holes to attach the switch to your chassis. Once the switch is attached to your chassis, run the wire from the new switch to your battery and cut to the desired length. Attach the ring terminals to the negative cable from the new switch using crimper. Again, use heat shrink and a heat gun to secure and protect connection of the ring terminal to cable. Carefully reattach wires to the battery with the negative lead coming from the switch and the positive lead coming from the unit. Test the switch to confirm correct installation.